Hi everyone. Today let us start with SetLanguage Exercise 1.1 question number 5. So represent the following sets in set builder form. So before going to the question, let us understand what is set builder form. Set builder form is nothing but we have to represent all the elements in the set by a rule. So the set builder form is also called rule method. So prior to writing of this, we have to know another thing, this colon symbol, which is used to write the set builder form, and you can write the words is a or is an, which will be common in all the set builder forms. If you are not writing in words form, you can write it with symbols. So let us move on to the question. So our first question is B is equal to set of all cricket players in India who scored double centuries in one day international. So our main concentration will be on these first term, cricket players in India. All other terms you can write it as such. So first let us start our set. Set B, you are going to build the set such that we have to open the symbol first, bracket symbol. Let us take X, you can use Y also. X such that X, so this is the common term, is here. So first you have to write is here and then you have to check what is given here. Cricket players in India. Either you can write as such or you can short this a little. So let me write it as is an because I'm just giving is an Indian cricket player. So I'm cut shorting it a bit because it is a longer sentence in cricket Indian cricket player, and then you can write all this who scored double centuries in one day internationals. Because of the time constraint, I'm not writing it here. I'll give the answer in the next slide for this fully. So first of all, you have to write X such that X is an Indian cricket player and then who scored double centuries in one day international. So let's move on to the next question. Next question is C such that C, you have to start this at C. So here what is given is we are not seeing any wordings as the previous question. We are seeing only the numbers. So let us take and analyze the numbers 1 by 2, 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. So if you take a single number, we have to form a rule for this. If you see this 1 and it is going to give the next number 2. And if you analyze this one also, it is same like if you put 2 here, you have to put 3 here. And if you put 3 here on the top as numerator and denominator will be 1 added to that. So if you in general, let's take it as n. If n is equal to 1, then here you have to put n plus 1. It satisfies all the conditions. If n is 2, n plus 1 will be 3. If n is 3, n plus 1 will be 4. Let's go and build our set. X such that X, we are not going to write is there here because we are not going to write in words. So X is equal to n by n plus 1. Comma. Now you have to say where this n lies. So as if you analyze the question, they have started with only 1 here, not 0. So if you put it as n belongs to W, then there will be another number 0 by 1. So 0 will come, which is not allowed. So we have to carefully make it and let it be n, capital N, because this capital N starts only from one natural number. So our answer will be X such that X is equal to n by n plus 1, n belongs to capital N. So let's move on to the next question. D is equal to all the set of all Tamil months in a year. So let's start our building our set. D is equal to X such that X, you have to put it as is. If needed, you can change it as an or you can leave it as SK. Is the analyze here set of all Tamil months in a year. So we can write it as X is a Tamil month And then the further things will be the same. Tamil month, sorry, we have to write it as Tamil month because it's year, in a year. The remaining wordings will be as such. So now let us move on to the next question. E is equal to set of odd whole numbers less than 9. So let us build the set. E is equal to x. This is the rule except that x is a singular thing we have to write. So x is a, we have to start from here. Odd whole number less than 9. So we can write it as x is an odd whole. Be sure that you have to write only singular form here. So odd whole number, and then you have to put all this less than 9. So this is, you have to write less than 9 also here. Can finish it up. So this is the way you can write all your answers. So I will give the perfect writings of this in the next slide. Hope you understand the question. Thank you.